Hello, everybody. This is Steve K. And today, this is a happy belated Easter. I'm going to do a knockoff of Granny. Yeah. And now, we're going to do, let's see, a knockoff of Granny. This is day one. And, let's just stay here. All right. We're going to check the bathroom out. Oh, we got the car key. Okay, we got the car key. Now, I'm going to go down these stairs. We're going to open up this closet and see what we got. Oh, let's see. That was a watermelon. Now we're going to check down here. Nothing. Now we're going to go check down here. Nothing. Okay, it's a bunch of nothing. We'll open up the microwave. What do we got? Nothing. Okay. Now, I'm going to go open up these doors up. There's nothing down here. I'm going to open these up. Open that up. Okay. By the way, this is Steve K. And from me to you guys, happy belated Easter. I hope you had a great one. Alright. We knocked that down. Oh, there's Granny. You're so slow. Man. God, Granny, you sure aged in this knockoff. Alright, knock down the table. I'm going to go over here. Man, you're so slow. I'm going to open this up. There we go. Nothing in there. Nothing in the drawers. Okay. Now, since you're so slow, obviously you ain't going to get me. I think I could go safely. I'm going to go down these stairs. And now we're going to go check the basement out. And then we're going to go down to the garage. We're going to open up that trunk. Let's open it up. There we go. Oh, look. We got the weapon key. Nice. Let's open up this thing here. Nothing. Okay. We're going to drop the car key. Now, I'm going to open this door. Looks like it's stuck. It doesn't want to move. Okay, I'm going to grab the weapon key. I'm going to go up these stairs. Push the orb over. Man, look at this mud. It's so bricky, cementy. Wow. Alright. Let's see. It's standing up. That's weird. For a mod. Alright, let's see what we can do here. I'm going to push these boxes out of the way. And now I'm going to crawl through the mud and cubby hole, mud and grass cubby hole. I'm going to go up these stairs and I'm going to check out the meat locker. What do we got in there? Okay, we got nothing. Oh, piece of meat. Yuck. Okay, we're going to go up these stairs. And let's open these up. What do we got in here? Nothing. Alright, let's open up the locker. Grab the crossbow. I'm going to grab the trank dart. Let's go hunt down Granny. Let's push these boxes out of the way. Man, they don't fall, they just stand. Okay, yeah. Alright, let's see. Open this up, nothing. Man, a bunch of nothing in all these drawers. Knock down the chair. Now, we're going to go open that door. We're going to go see where... Well, first I'll check upstairs first. I want to see what's going on. Okay, a yellow door. Hey, Jimothy. I'm going to break this floor if you don't mind. There we go. Now, I'm going to go out of there. I'm going to go back in here. Open the door. Let's see. We're still looking. Definitely. Oh, there's Granny. I'm not going to go around the corner so she can hit me. So I think I'll go around safely and get her outside this way. Yeah, I see you, Granny, and I see where you're heading, and no, you're not going to get me. Hey, Granny, I'm over here. Ring-a-ding-a-ling. Let's shoot you. And, oh my gosh, your neck goes all the way back. Hey, Granny. Yeah, you're down. And guess what? I'm not done with you. I'm going to make you kiss the wall. Yeah. Yeah, Granny. Kiss the wall for me. Yeah. You're going to do that for me. And we're going to grab this. Nah, we don't want to grab that. Hey, look at this. Oh, no. Okay. Let's go back inside. I'm going to go through the kitchen here. I'm going to go up the stairs. I'm going to go get me an extra trank dart. And I don't know what my character is doing here. Okay, here we go. Get another trank dart. There we go. Now my character is going to go through the bedroom. We're going to knock down these pictures, because I don't care for them. And I'm going to shoot this can, and hopefully that screwdriver will fall. Let's hit it. Okay, let's see what we got. That's disappointing. There's no screwdriver. Okay, let's try it again. Let's aim for that screwdriver. Ooh, I missed. That's not good. I'm missing. Come on, screwdriver, you gotta fall. Let's do this. I think I got it. Let's see, where did it go? Okay, I'm gonna just drop that stuff over there. And there's a screwdriver. Now, I'm gonna open up the door and go through the basement. We're gonna crawl through the grass and mud cubbyhole. Now, I'm going to unwind these screws, and I'm going to grab the safe key. Okay, now that we got the safe key, now let's see what we can do with this safe key. We're going to open this up. Let's see what we got inside. Playhouse key. Alright. We got the playhouse key, and we're going to head back outside. Oh, by the way, in this game, when you shoot Granny with a trank dart or a shotgun one time, Granny's down for the count. She will not get back up. Just a little spoiler alert for you if you decide to try this Granny mod knockoff. Alright, I'm going to grab the cogwheel here. Let's see. I'm going to crawl through this window. Now, I'm going to crawl through the playhouse. I'm going to put this cogwheel inside. There we go. Alright. Let's see. Alright. We're going to go through the kitchen. Okay, there's a piece of the painting. We want the melon. Something inside this melon. Well, let's go outside the door. And there's the guillotine. We'll just put it there. Gonna chop it up and see what's inside. The master key for the front door. Nice. We're gonna go through that door, through the dining room area, through the kitchen, and now we're gonna go drop the master key right here. We'll get you later. And then we're going to go downstairs. I'm going to grab a piece of the painting. And this is an Easter egg of some sort. But we'll see what happens. Alright. I'm going to knock down the plank. Let's see. Alright. I dropped a hammer. And now I'm going to go inside and see what's inside here. Nothing. And now I'm going to go in the kitchen. We're going to try to complete this Easter egg for you and see what it is. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, we need 2 or 3 more pieces and the Easter egg is complete. I'm going to crawl through here, through this dark tunnel to head towards the shed. Yeah. We're going to head towards the shed and see what they got here. There's part of the shotgun. We'll grab that. Let's see. We're going to go through the dining room, through the kitchen, and we're going to go towards the basement. And now, oh, I made a mistake. Okay. We're going to go down this basement. We're going to put this shotgun together. Here we go. And now, let's see. Where else to go? Well, we just push that out of the way. We're going to go through the mud and grass cubbyhole or tunnel. And let's see what we're going to do here. I'm going to go up the stairs. I'm going to try to knock down this stupid piece of meat. It's stiff as a board. It will not fall. Man, you just try to keep pushing it. It's like a statue. It's cemented on there. Man, forget it. I try to knock that thing down and there's nothing there. Let's move these boxes out of the way. We're going to go down here. We got the winch handle. We're going to open up the hidden room. What do we got? Nothing. No teddy bear. Okay. That's fine. I'm going to go through these stairs here. Go through this area. I'm going to go through here. I'm going to go down the stairs. Like so. Go through the kitchen. I'm going to head outside through the door. I'm going to put on the witch handle. And we're going to wheel it up and see what's in the bucket. And let's see. The bucket. What's inside? Cutting pliers. Nice. Okay. Cutting pliers. Alright, let's cut this wire. I'm going to go downstairs. I'm going to cut this wire. There we go. I'm going to head towards the 3rd floor. Here we go. Going up the stairs. You are too good, Granny. Place the extra lock on the door. Oh, thanks, Granny. You're so polite. I guess I'm going to crawl through here and knock down this grate. That's a shortcut to the bathroom. Alright. Now, let's see. I'm going to grab this piece of the painting. And we're going to go through. Oh my god, I'm blocked. Guess I had man, it's that door. Whatever. We're going to just go down these stairs. We're going to put this piece of the painting together. Now we need one more piece of the painting, and you have your Easter egg. We'll see what the picture of the painting is. Okay, I'm roaming around the house, going towards, well, let's see, part of the shotgun. A pink TV and a pink dresser. Boy, nice choice of colors, Granny. You love pink. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to go take this, handle the shotgun. I'm going to go open this up first. Garage door opener. Now I need the trigger, so we could have the shotgun built together. Alright, let's go around. Okay, I'm looking for something. Oh, look, passcode. Alright, Granny. Put an extra lock in the door. Guess what? It's off. Now I need the master key, and now I need the padlock key to escape. Let's see what we got in here. There's a bunch of nothing. Okay. Nothing in the locker. Nothing in the locker. Knock that over. Open up the drawers. Leave this house. Open it. Nothing. 5 days. There's your Easter egg. 5 days. Nothing there. Nothing there. Okay. We're in this area. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing in the drawers. Okay, yeah. I'm going to go through here. Nothing here. Pushing that chair out of the way. Go up the stairs. I need a plank. But one problem. I need the hammer. That's not good. I guess we're on a search for the missing hammer now. Man. Search for the missing hammer. Let's see what we can do. Where is that hammer? Is there a hammer in here? Nope. It's a bunch of nothing. Useless safe room. Okay. Get me out of here. There. I'm out of that useless safe room. There's nothing back there. Okay, let's go down the stairs. Go through a meat locker. I'm going to try to... Nope. Leave it. I'm going to go down the stairs. Go take a look through here. Nothing. Okay, we're going to crawl through the grass mud tunnel. And let's see. We're going to go through the kitchen. We're going to have a little look around. We're opening every door just to see what's inside. And we're going to open these things. And now we're going to go through here, open these doors. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. Okay, I'm getting a little frantic because I'm trying to figure out where... Oh, we got a piece of the painting. Let's see who it is. This is an Easter egg, everybody. Happy Easter. There's your Easter egg. Oh, it's Freddy Krueger. Okay, that's an Easter egg. Right. Alright, now, let's see what we got here. Move this box out of the way. There. Go over there. Stay there. Okay. Now, We're still on the search for that missing hammer, wherever it's at. Let's see. Nothing inside. Going in a sauna, there's nothing inside. Right. Close the trunk since it's useless. Let's see. The door fell off. Okay. Now, where is that missing hammer? We need that hammer. Going through the kitchen. Nope. Up the stairs. Nothing inside. We'll just knock the picture down. Nothing here. Close. Nope. Let's see. Nothing in the bathroom. Nothing in this bedroom. These boxes are annoying. Like, why can't they just move? I don't get this. Why is it not falling? Oh, there we go. We got one to fall. Well, that's good enough. At least we got one part to fall. Alright. No, that... Pushing these blocks out of the way. Alright. Let's just leave it. These boxes are a pain in the butt. Okay. A useless room. Okay, now I'm getting a little frantically mad. I do not know where is that hammer. And it's starting to frustrate me a lot now. I already been in here, and yet there's nothing in here. Okay, we already got the clue. There's nothing in there. Where is that hammer at? We need that hammer. And here's the meat. See? I try pushing it down. What does it do? It just stands up. And I give up on that meat. Now I'm going to go down the stairs. Then we're going to go through the mud and grass cubbyhole or tunnel. Now, let's see. We're going to do this. Guess we're going to go through here. See what's inside. Unknowns. Who cares? Don't need it. Goodbye. Alright. I guess we're going to head outside once again. Alright. We're up. Let's see what it says. This is your last chance. Your last chance? No. Look at Granny. She's kissing the wall. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure you move over, Granny. I'm done with you kissing the wall over here. But you're gonna move this time. Yeah, we're gonna roll your lifeless body. Let's see. I'm gonna go around this thing. Let's see, nothing. You know what, Granny, I got an idea. After I'm done looking here, we're gonna make you kiss the other wall. Yeah, you're gonna kiss that gray wall right there. And now, I'm gonna push you to kiss this gray wall. Yeah, you lay there. You kiss that wall. I'm done with you, Granny. So enjoy your life kissing that concrete wall. There's nothing in here except for one cogwheel. It needs another cogwheel. Okay. Let's see. Alright. Where is that hammer? We need that hammer. Man, we went through everything. There's no hammer. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna go through here. There's nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing on the chair. A window with concrete in it. Let's see. TV, VCR, pink, whatever that is. Gray couches. A lamp. Black lamp. Black table. And we're gonna looking for this hammer, wherever this hammer might be. Well, it sure ain't in the kitchen. We've been there enough. Alright. Where is this hammer? Oh, after all this time, you were right here. How dare you? Alright, now that we got the hammer, we're going to go up the stairs. We're going to move some of those planks out of the way so we can cross. We're going to move this plank, that plank, that plank. Oh, I guess I could get one. Place it. And we're going to knock the camera down. And now we're going to push this over, all these planks over, just to get it out of the way. And now we're going to go grab, well, open those first. And we're going to grab, let's see. Let's grab the pliers first. We're going to cut this wire. We're going to grab this cogwheel. Alright, now we're making some progress. Alright, now we're going to go down here. And we're going to go down the stairs. We're going to go outside. We're going to go through the window. Now, we're going to go get into the playhouse. And we're going to grab the padlock key. That's what we needed. Alright. Hey, Granny, have a nice life. I hope you enjoy kissing that wall. Yeah, you kissed that wall. You wanted to hurt me? Well, guess what? Now you're laying there. Have fun. Okay, now, as I was saying, we're going to head towards the kitchen, towards the door, open it up, drop the padlock key, grab the master key. We are home free. Hey, Granny, I'll see you later. And guess what, Granny? We beat you. Yeah. Oh, by the way, this is Steve K. This was a knockoff of Granny. I hope you enjoy. Please leave a like, subscribe, leave some comments.